Hi, my name is Leslie from Berry Birdy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fabric Polaroid. I have a challenge right now on my Instagram where if you make one of these little Polaroids and send it to me, I will put it on display at my upcoming quilt show this June. So first you want to start off with some fabric pieces that have a small little design in them. These ones are pieces that I've set aside that I use for the center of a Dresden, for fabric stamps, or for this purpose, making a fabric Polaroid. You'll also need a piece of white, low volume fabric, and also some thin interfacing that's fusible. So first you want to cut the pieces of the low volume fabric for the sides, top and bottom. I've cut the center piece to the size that I could make it out of since the scrap was very small. The side pieces are 1 inch wide, the top is 1 1/4 inch wide, and the bottom is 1 3/4 inch wide. You do not have to use these exact measurements, just use what you think is going to work best for the center. So first you want to sew on either side of the center piece. Here I'm using a 1/4 inch seam. The opposite side has very little space on the side here where the bucket is, so I'm going to just use a 1/8 inch seam on the opposite side. Then you're going to need to press towards the outside and then sew on your top and bottom. Once you finish that, then you're ready to iron on your interfacing. This I do to the wrong side of the front and also the back. Then I've trimmed mine down to measure 3/4 inch on the side, 1 inch on the top, and 1 1/2 inches on the bottom. Lay it face down onto your backing fabric and stitch around the outside, leaving the top open for turning. Then trim the edges and clip the corners, and now you're ready to turn it inside out. When you're ready to turn down the top, I have this little trick where you can push the seam to the front and a seam to the back, which helps to make it lay flatter. You can also use school glue to seal the top so you don't have to stitch the top. Press it with your fingers and then just simply iron it. And there's your adorable little Polaroid. Thanks for watching.